guys, my name is Emma. I'm from the Netherlands, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Dutch pancakes. It's really easy, so I hope you enjoy.
Okay, first off, I'm going to start by preparing the ingredients that I want to put into my pancake. I like apple pancakes, so I'm slicing some apples here. You can add anything you want to Dutch pancakes, so just be creative. After that, I'm gonna put the slices of apple in a bowl and mix it with cinnamon and a little bit of sugar until all the slices are covered with cinnamon. And I just mix it with a fork. You can use whatever you want, as long as it works. This is what it's supposed to look like. If you want more or less, you can just adjust the amount of apple. After that, I'm gonna cut some cheese. I have a block of cheese. This is Gouda, which is a Dutch cheese. You can buy this at every grocery store in the United States, I believe. At least I always see Gouda in grocery stores. It can also be just slices, but if it's a block like this, you can slice it yourself with a cheese slicer or any kind of slicer you have. You can also try to do it with a knife. Just make sure that your slices are thin and not really thick, because you want them to be able to melt in a short amount of time, and if they're too thick, that will not work. After that, I'm gonna slice some onion in rings, and then I cut them in half. You don't want your pieces to be too big, but you also don't want it to be really small pieces, so I always just cut them in half. And that's all my ingredients. I also added some vegetarian bacon and some prosciutto. I'm sorry if I pronounced it wrong, but so next up, we're gonna start making our batter, and you start with 400 grams of flour and 6 eggs. My batter is made for 4 people, so if you want to make more or less, you can always adjust the amount of ingredients. So you're gonna add the 6 eggs and mix it all together. It doesn't have to be like great or perfect. I just want to mix it a little bit before I'm gonna add the rest of the ingredients. So it will kind of look like this. Then you're gonna add your milk, and you want to add 450 milliliters of milk, but you want to add like small amounts at the time. As you can see, it's becoming more thin, which is what you want when you are making Dutch pancakes. You want your batter to be really thin. If necessary, you can add water. I added, I think, 350 milliliters of water, and yeah, that really made the batter thin. As you can see, your batter really needs to be thin. You might think that this is too thin, but it's not. So next up, you want to preheat your skillets, and then you can start making your pancakes. I always make plain pancakes first because they're easier, and as you can see, the first one is always a mess. There's a hole in my pancake, and the skillet was not warm enough, so it took a really long time to get a little bit brownish. After that, you can flip it, and this is what the bottom is kind of supposed to look like. It can be a little bit darker if you want, but it doesn't have to be. As long as they don't fall apart, it's good. So this is my next round, and as you can see, it is becoming better. So I decided to make an apple pancake next, and just make so many pancakes with all my different ingredients. You can put onion, bacon, and cheese together. Just always put all the ingredients before you put the batter, but don't do it with the cheese. You just want the cheese to melt. You don't want it to fry. So put the cheese in after you put the batter in the skillet. And this is what it looks like. I always put all my pancakes on different plates because I don't want them to get mixed up. And this is what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching, and please try this yourself.